Alright, for those of you wanting a maybe a less expensive version of a lighted model, diecast model, Motormax now is producing some of these with headlights and taillights and a light bar. Am I going to say the lighting's awesome? No, I'm not. It's kind of weak. I don't want to use the word weak. It's just not. I don't know. Most custom-built cars have a lot brighter lighting to them. But for the, I guess basically, if you put that towards the price of this one versus a custom-built one with the same exact lighting package, you know, you're coming out quite a bit less with this one, half the price probably. So with this one, you know, for you guys that are just wanting maybe a model built to match your own unit that you drive or the police department in your area or whatever, this is a pretty decent alternative for that. I mean, a decaled version of this is almost same price as what a normal decaled version car would be, because this car, like I said, with the lights is not too much more expensive than just the blank diecast itself. I get a different pricing because of being getting mine wholesale, but it's still, the price isn't too bad on these. With this, Motormax has a double strobe headlight setup and tail lights, along with the light bar. The light bar, honestly, is kind of poopy. It does offer you some red and blue light along with a white center takedown. That's about all I'm going to say for it. There are different patterns to it. Again, it uses the smaller, whichever you prefer, the surface mount technology or surface mount diode, LEDs, SMD or SMT LEDs, and they're just, to me, they just don't have the brightness, which is why I prefer not to use them in any of my builds. So that's, anyway, builder's choice there. They just don't provide the light that I want. It runs on 3 AAA batteries. They're installed in the bottom. That's kind of cool. So I just take the car apart to do that. Up front there's a switch, off, try me, and play. The try me is obviously, you know, for when it's on display. There's actually a hole in the bottom of the box where you can actually test it in the store and kind of look at it and go, hey mom, look, buy this for me. But we'll put it on the play switch, or the play selection there. In the front here, between the 2 screws in the front, you'll see a small push button. That's what turns it on and activates the patterns, whatnot. So let's go ahead and hit this. It does have a siren too, so kind of adds to it. Siren's not very loud, but it is a siren nonetheless. Go ahead and hit this the first time. Again, those are actually, look like they're actually strobing 3 times, the headlights. My camera's only going to show us a wig-wag look to it, but they are strobing. You can see the light bar going through a couple patterns. Siren changes. Again, those are triple strobe as well. Light bar is just kind of an alternating flash. Let's hit this button again. Different flash patterns for the light bar. Another flash pattern. Yet another flash pattern. That is no siren. Obviously, you can hear that. Lighting's still working. Of course, tail lights are working as well. One more time. It'll be the siren along with the lighting pattern. And then this push here will turn it completely off. So there you have it. Again, to order this model with custom department decals on it. Now, I think they have this one in white, black and white. Also, some of the utilities are available, I think, in 24th. I know there's a couple of them in 18th that are available with lights. The other ones I can't remember. Should have, again, started the video without doing research. I know. The doors do open on this. The hood opens. What else? It does have the laptop, you know, MDT computer in there. I'm going to see if it can be, I know it can be taken apart, see if it can be some things added, like maybe the center, a light in the interior. See if I can add rear deck lights. So I want to do some testing with this one, see if some other things can be added to it. Again, it'd be a nice base car for the price of this, to add, like I said, custom decals, you know, your department's decals to it. Be an inexpensive alternative, like I said, if you're not all caught up about the super crazy lighting packages on something basic like this. Like I said, you know, with this car with decals and interior light, interior decals and the stuff I do to the interiors on these. I mean, you might be able to get loose or get, you know, around $100 with decals and everything, shipping and all. So might be a good alternative for some of you guys. Like I said, it's not really caught up in all the crazy lighting, and some departments don't have a crazy lighting package on their cars. So anyway, there you have it. Just want to do a quick video. Again, this is a Motormax, so I'm going to do some research on that. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can shoot me a message. Thank you very much.